Nagulat, nagsusulat, naglilingkod.
Magandang umaga, kasalukuyang nagaganap ang mini press conference sa aking likuran kung saan tinatalakay ng Municipal Tourism Officer ang tungkol sa pagiging isang responsableng mamamahayag sa pagpapakalap ng impormasyon online.
But the focus here with the social media interaction that we do, journalism influences public perception because from there, you will be able to see comments and caption for you to understand what's really going on with that certain area. For you being journalists and responsible journalists, practicing journalism ethics, for you, okay, when you send out that information to the public, kasi automatically once you publish, it's already owned by the public. And you see there, why nanong do? So what do you do next? You click on the video, you watch it, and then what do you do next? You read the comments. Because sometimes in the comment section is more dramatic than even in a teleserye. Nagkakig bright dito, di ba? Maybe because the LGU was not looking after it, or the LGU was not making regulations of how to protect the forest or the waterfalls, or the people are abusing the area, walay waste management. So what?
Nagulat, nagsusulat, naglilingkod.